a fish, like a fish, like a fish.
Straight from the heart shit, you know, that real hip hop. So we're real hip hop fans in the building, please put your motherfucking hands up. Yo. Let me keep the rhythm and I swear I'll throw the rest away. And I can't even speak about what happened yesterday, but they be acting like they only in the second grade. But I got a rhythm that'll make your body separate. A new day, now that's a new objective. I'm selective about the people that I let influence my perspective. I'm on the scene but I ain't never trying to play detective. And they be lying to me, that's the people I'm upset with. Do you get the message? I think I'll spell it out. A little piece of heaven, that's really what hell's about. I keep the rhythm real, I ain't never selling out. But if you hold it in rhythms, how you let it out. I hate to think about how death comes really quick. I lost a best friend 2 times, it makes me sick. So let the rhythm live on when I be searching for that pot of gold, something like a leprechaun.